So we know this one is walk, but his real name is quarter notes. And this one is run, and his real name is 8 notes. So I'm going to play a game to practice walk and run. I'm going to play a music. If the music plays walk, we will pretend that we are a cat. So we will go like this. Meow, 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 meow. Put your hands like this and do it with me. Meow, 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 meow. And even better, you can go down on the floor, pretend that you're a cat and go meow, 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 meow. Look, I have a friend cat here. Cat, can you play with us? Sure. So if I play walk, I want you to go like this. Meow, 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 meow. You cannot go fast. You have to go meow, 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 meow. And your friends at home can copy him. But if I play run, my friend the little mouse will come. And he will, look, he has a little cheese in his hand. Oh, hello, friends. Do you want to play with me? Let's pretend you are also little mice. So if I play run, the little mouse will go like this. Run, 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 run. E, 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 e. So you can put your hands like this and go like this. E, 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 e. So if I play walk, meow, 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 meow. If I play run, now I'm doing it sitting down because it's kind of hard for me to tape me if I'm moving. But can you do it on the floor? You can move, you can go meow, 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 all over the room. And when it's run, I'm going to do it with my friends, the cat and the mouse. Do you want to play with me? Yeah! So you, cat, will be quarter notes, okay? Okay. And you, little mouse, you will be 8 notes. Run, okay? Okay. So friends at home, play with the cat and the mice. Here we go. Meow.